Pachi. Hello everyone. Today we have some amazing chicken tenders for your children that you're going to love. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our two sauces. One has coconut yogurt and a surprise which is some wasabi. And it's not going to taste that spicy because the coconut yogurt has a strong flavor. You're going to like it. A little bit of salt and pepper. Tiny bit of pepper. Pinch of salt. And we are done with one of the sauces. Perfecto. Look at that. It's creamy and beautiful. If you're going to have this with kids, don't add the wasabi, but you can add, for example, some pico de gallo. You can add some, like some herbs and maybe some Dijon mustard. Now we're going to make our second one, which is with pesto. And that's it. It's just a pesto spread for our chicken who's going to be flavored with pesto. And don't worry if there's some liquid in your yogurt, a little bit, because it's going to sit and some of the liquid's going to come out. Once you mix it, it's going to be perfectly creamy. Check it out. It's beautiful. And I would still add a pinch of salt, just a little pinch, and a pinch of pepper. And our spreads are done. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to put them in some beautiful bowls. Now what we're going to do you can buy chicken tenders. Let me see if these pieces of chicken have a tender. Yes, this one has one of the tenders, part of it, which already comes. It's this part of the chicken breast, which comes in little slices. And if you do buy a chicken tender, what you can do, because they're going to come like this, and it's a little thicker there, you can just place it on a skewer like this and this, and it's going to look beautiful and it's going to look different on your serving platter. Let's take the point also here. It's going to look really, really nice on your platter. Let's do another one. Let's do it like this. This one's a little thick, but it'll do. So you can have some real chicken tender pieces. This one doesn't look so pretty because it was small, but it will be fine. And then the other ones, you can just dice it and have like nuggets. This knife needs a little sharpening, but it's fine. Here's a little bit piece of the chicken tender. Okay, so all we have to do now is add the pesto, and it goes straight into some of the corn flour and into the air fryer. That's it. Let me grab a bowl. So we can add our corn flour, a little bit of salt, and a tiny bit of pepper. Mix it, and if it's for kids, you don't have to add salt or pepper if you don't want to. Or if they already eat everything that it's eating at home, you can do it with just a little bit of salt and pepper. I mean, if they eat outdoors, sometimes there's a little bit of salt and pepper almost everywhere. And everyone at home wants to eat the same thing. Actually, they love to eat the same thing parents do. So you don't want it to be super spicy or super salty, but you want them to be all. Here we have our chicken pieces ready to go into the air fryer. Trying to make space for the other pieces without having them touch each other so that they can brown nicely. And now we have space for our mini kebabs. Now we're ready to go to the air fryer, and they will be ready in 8 minutes. Let's go. $380, but we're gonna do it for 8 minutes. Perfect. So here we are with our beautiful crispy chicken tenders and pieces, kind of like nuggets that are stuck to the pieces. So here we have it, another amazing dish with 2 different sauces, one with wasabi and coconut yogurt, which is actually divine with black beans, with one of our black bean balls or burgers or patties, and the pesto, which goes perfectly well with everything, and both with our delicious chicken. It's fried chicken in the air fryer.